Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to play Mobox for beginners. Mobox is a play to earn gaming platform that blends blockchain, gaming, NFTs and DeFi. Players can earn rewards while playing games, taking tokens or collecting NFTs. Unlike traditional games, you own your in-game assets and these can be traded or staked for extra rewards. For beginners, the key is understanding wallet tokens and simply gameplay mechanics. And before playing, you need a crypto wallet like MetaMask wallet or the Coinbase wallet on the PC. Open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's a address bar, type on mobox.io and enter it. And over here, approve the connection. Your wallet. This logs into your Mobox here. After login, you see the different game modes and NFTs. Beginner friendly games usually include the Mono mode, or you can simply explore to this explore game here. And over here, you can download and play. It is recommended auto install for the better experience as well. And over here, we could see on the left hand side, we can find this trending game. Simply select the game that you prefer. Select connect to your wallet to check eligibility. And over here, select to this dragon flame here. You can claim to your reward here. You can also burn to the received treasure points. If you want to add more, you can go to this here. First, simply select to this level 1 here and you can start playing. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.